In this video guys, I will show you how to use TradingView app easy and quick. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use this app. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. First, just open your TradingView after downloading it from Play Store or App Store. Then it will take you directly to your watch list. Here you can watch everything, and also you can add a list here or here. Also, if you click here, you can find your red list. So right now this is the short list. Or the watch list, sorry. If you click here, you will find the chart. It's moving. You can zoom it, you can manage it as you want, you can click everything. And you can also, right now, if you click here, you can explore. You can explore the top story, the overview, everything, the news, crypto, forex, everything, economy, gold. And if you click on idea, you can find an ideas here. You can scroll everything. Right now, if you click on the menu, it will take you to this page. So if we click on the settings, we can manage many things like turning on the dark mode or turn off it, keep screen on, manage the watch list or the chart, notifications, language, and also if you want to delete your account and if you want to find your contact information, from here you can find it. So if we back here on this list, we're still in the menu. You can find your profile. Here you can edit your profile, changing your profile picture, your username if you want to add YouTube or Twitter account, hiding or unhide your online status. Then if you back, you can find your followers and your following. If you click, for me, I don't have. Also, if you have an idea, you can find it here. So, and another important things, if you wanna have a 13-day free trial, just click here and finish the other step, then you will have it. So also the last thing that you should know, from here you can sign out. So as you see guys, the application of TradingView is very useful. If you find this video also useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next tutorial.